Now, this is an urgent message to all the Igbos. You have urgent message to all the Igbos. Anybody that tell you to go and do investment in Lagos and as an Igbo man, that person is your enemy. That person no love you at all. Upon all these things, then do our brothers, our sisters. Do you know some houses, some shops where they demolish? And if they demolish it, they will take it. I tell you, there was a pastor in Yoruba land. The video went viral. This pastor went to village, then called him for meeting in Yoruba land. And they are doing meeting against Igbos because of them. They talk say Igbos don't buy many places in Lagos. And that pastor stood up against what they are planning against Igbos. And that pastor stood up, said no, he is not in support of this thing where they plan to do Igbos. In only few months, they start demolishing shops, houses everywhere. They demolish everywhere. Igbo people cry. Some of them buy for BP. Some of them BP cost them. Do you know how many Igbos that get BP? Shops, houses, the demolition. Now somebody is telling you, advising you, are trying to advertise Lagos, trying to paint Lagos, make Igbos return back to Lagos. Now the wound where these people give us never heal. And any Igbo man will go Lagos, go build house or do investment in Lagos. A man will a problem. We are not a fool in this country. We are wise. They are trying to use people now to paint Lagos. Lagos use the best place in the Igbo Abiakome business. Upon na hamelono. Akwani na onu bele mando spend the 500 million naira loan okutu se unu fe akwa ahụ unu bele amam unu fshaganya million. Now they are using other people to paint Lagos. Lagos use the safety place ndị Igbo ga abịa business ka East use be insecurity do. Mana some of them will investment na north and the northern part of Nigeria ebe Boko Haram find investment in homes. Number one, Igbo again, and you are planning to go and buy land in Lagos or do any investment in Lagos, upon this thing where they do you people, don't allow anybody to deceive you or to convince you or to tell you I'm bringing my business to Lagos for you to even think again to go to Lagos again to do investment. Only go in Lagos or loan in Lagos. In fact, you need to go to because the money if how much on Lagos, again, go on Lagos again. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. They are planning all those things, working all those things, using so many people. I don't want to call them, both and the Brunia social media. I don't want to call their name. So don't ever try. Ibroni, don't ever try to buy any one plot of land in Lagos again. It's all Ghana, Natore Nubu, Ebony, Anambra, Boratana Easter. Don't ever try to do it because if you do it, in next 50 years they will still demolish and collect it back from you. So I have why am I even at this country called Nigeria? Don't ever try to make a mistake. Our father similar. Don't ever try to do it. Come to this East, do your investment in our name business. 90% of investment, let them come to this East. Money ife.